Hi, I'm Kevin Rutherford. Welcome to RG's Talent Tips. Today I'm going to show you the +1, -1 method. So let's dive right in. Abraham Maslow liked to say that in any given moment we have a choice. Will we step forward into growth or back into safety? Moment by moment by moment, we make a choice. And as a result, we shape our destiny. Making those choices can be a challenge when some of the sources out there suggest that the average person makes more than an eye-popping 20 to 30,000 choices per day. Now, frankly, I'm not sure I can agree fully with those findings. But whether the number's accurate or not, we cannot deny that we're faced with a never-ending stream of decisions from the moment that we crawl out of bed in the morning. And even the small choices can have big consequences. For example, by momentarily ignoring your phone, you could miss an offer for a lifetime dream job or a 1 in a million chance on a dating app. Now, I like to think of it like this. It's almost as if we have like a little subconscious computer that's keeping score for us in our heads. +1 if we choose to step forward into growth, -1 if we choose to step back into safety. +1 or -1, +1 or -1. Now, let's say that the alarm goes off in the morning. Do we step forward and do the thing that we said we'd do, whether it's jumping out of bed and immediately meditating, or going to the gym and working out, or sitting down reading for 30 minutes? Or do we step back into safety and pull back the covers over our head as if we try to forget what we said we'd do and then come up with some kind of rationalization about how we need the rest? +1 or -1? So all right, you've kicked your day off now with that decision. Now let's move throughout your day, moment to moment to moment. Forward into growth or back into safety, moment by moment. +1 or -1. Now, let's fast forward to the end of the day. At the end of the day, you're either at +10,000 or -10,000 or likely somewhere in between. Pay attention, because if you are out of balance all day long, those negative numbers will keep adding up. Even worse, they're going to eat at your soul. You start doing other things to numb yourself from the pain. Maybe watching a few hours of TV or web surfing or whatever your favorite numbing activity is. Now, if you do that day after day after day, well, you're either going to be seriously depressed or addicted to something, or maybe both. But the good news is this, though. A few strong, positive steps forward can have a magical effect. And we always have the choice to take that step forward. You are in control of the choices that you make. I want you to be mindful. +1 is your goal. Think about it. What's a +1 step that you can take right now? I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something that you can apply right away. If you did and want more, please subscribe to our channel below and check out our website for even more content, handouts, and free tools that'll take you from where you are to where you want to be. Until next time.